In cities across the globe, public transportation has remained largely unchanged for decades. But what if the future of transport wasn't just about the vehicles on the streets, but how they're made? Enter 3D printing, an innovation that is reshaping industries, and now, public transportation. With its ability to rapidly produce parts, and even entire structures, 3D printing is a game changer. But how exactly does this technology disrupt the way we move? 3D printing allows us to produce custom parts on demand, reducing the need for massive inventories and cutting down on production times. What used to take weeks can now be done in days. We used to have to wait for weeks for some parts. Now, we can print them in-house and have the buses back on the road in no time. But it doesn't stop with parts. Entire vehicles can be designed and manufactured using 3D printing, allowing for rapid prototyping and customization. Public transport is evolving. With 3D printing, cities can build fleets that are more efficient, eco-friendly, and tailored to their specific needs. From reducing waste to cutting production costs, 3D printing is disrupting how we think about public transport, and the journey has just begun. The future of public transport isn't just moving forward, it's being printed. In cities around the world, 3D printing is already proving its worth, from reducing downtime with faster repairs to cutting emissions with lighter, more efficient vehicles. It's changing the face of transportation as we know it. By embracing 3D printing, cities can create a transportation network that is faster, smarter, and more sustainable. And as this technology evolves, so too will the way we move.